Fix my hair, close the latch on the gate. I fly across this town cause I don't wanna be late. And pull up to your house and your dad is staring holes through me. We see a movie, spent all that I had. You say romantic comedies these days make you sad. Just empty and lonely, wishing for a world like that. I could never let you go. You are the current, the river and the undertow. I could never let you go. You are the current, the river and the undertow. A white dress and the cutting of cake. A little house on 7th as the snow starts to flake. Pretty soon that house is full of diapers and crying things. Our daughter has a game, so we load up the van. The joy upon her face, it keeps us warm in the stands. And boy is touring college, his life just moves as fast as it can. I could never let you go. You are the current, the river and the undertow. Darling, I could never let you go. You are the current, the river and the undertow. Gather round as I'm slipping away. My hair that was so blonde is now all faded to gray. So proud of the man and the woman we've come to be. My love is wearing blue like she was when we met. She grabs onto my hand and holds it tight to her chest. And the sound of her heartbeat leads me toward whatever is next. I will never let you go. You are the current, the river and the undertow. I will never let you go. You are the current, the river and the undertow. Darling, I will never let you go. You are the current,